Monday. And I'm getting kind of a late start today. It's almost 10 in the morning, and I need to get a couple orders out today and finish up my wholesale order for Molly. And the kids, today's Columbus Day, so the kids don't technically have school, so we're just going to let it be a school holiday, even though we do e-learning. I have a visitor. And yeah, other than that, just get the week started and take you along with me. What are you doing back here? You cannot be on my desk. Nope. Say hi. Say hello. I don't know if we've talked much about Siri on here, but she's a rescue and she has no tail. She got caught in a car when she was a kitten. Yeah. And got an infection, and the shelter was able to save her, but they said it was touch and go. So we don't think she has any permanent damage, but her hips do sometimes like act funny. Adam thinks her hips are misaligned now from the trauma of her tail getting caught in an engine fan. So I think that's what they said happened, but regardless, the poor kitty. But still, we love that she doesn't have a tail. I'm sure that she's not particularly fond of the memory of not having a tail, but we think she's adorable with her little nubbins. So anyway, I'm gonna get to work. about 4 in the afternoon. I have been sculpting all day, and I think we're just gonna have homemade pizza for supper. I put the dough in our bread machine on the dough cycle, so it should be done in about an hour. I need to run to the store and get cheese and pepperoni for the kids' pizzas, and then me and Adam will have Gardein beef crumbles and jalapenos and onions and peppers and all that good stuff, so should be pretty good. And I think that's it back here for the night. But I got all the Nutcrackers done. It did take me all day, which I figured it would, but it's really worth it to see them all standing there. Oh, I just love the Nutcrackers. I think they are so cute. So yeah, those will be going to Germany in a couple days too. So it's really exciting to get such a big order finished up and sent out very soon. And then next will be Advents. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about both of those. Okay, so in here I have a Morningstar sausage patty and Gardein beef crumbles, and I'm gonna break this up and mix it together for like a meat topping. And then over here I'm gonna get started on vegetables. So we are going to go for a quick ride around town and see the Halloween lights that people have put out, because it looks like there's a few. So I'm gonna take you along with us. The wind this morning put all these pine needles in our yard. They're everywhere. It's crazy.
So beautiful.
All from Mother Pine up here.